Hey Foxies, my name is Simon Fox. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday, and if you're returning, welcome back. Like always, this is never about subscribers, nor about money, but about love and light. So with that being said, we're going to be getting into this tutorial. We're going to be playing with the James Charles palette today. And if we play with other palettes, I'll include them in the video, but so far that's going to be the only palette. And we'll talk about my brows in a bit because they'll make sense at the end, basically. You'll get it at the end. Yeah, me and my sister were talking about my brows right now, and I was like, not really feeling them right now. No. But maybe at the end, when it all comes together, we'll fill them a little bit more. We'll see. And if not, then I'm still gonna post this. It has to come out. Okay, we're just gonna get started on the video. So we're gonna be starting off with the Jeffree Star Concealer as my base. Y'all already know. If y'all been watching my videos, y'all already know I use this all the time. Y'all can use whatever concealer, whatever base y'all want. This is just my preference. And today we ended up going for a sunset kind of look. That's actually just what we ended up coming out with. I ended up loving it. It just looks gorgeous. If you recreate it, make sure to tag me, DM me a picture. I would love to repost it. It's dope. And then I went in with the white from the Blood Sugar palette. Y'all can use whatever white y'all have. This is just the one that I like using. I feel like it lays down eyeshadows so nice on top. So yeah. So you're just going to be taking the red from the James Charles palette and just going to be applying that right in my crease, and then going to be blending it up from my crease. And this red took a little bit to blend, but it honestly blended out so beautiful. And yeah, you just have to take your time and blend. I feel like that's with any eyeshadow palette you get. You're gonna have to sit there and blend and really just make sure you get the blend that you want. So here I started going for this like really cute shape at the end, and then I ended up just kind of using that and going with that same shape. You guys, there's no rules to makeup. Y'all can do whatever y'all want. It's all just like, it's all fun at the end of the day. But yeah, I just used that and blended up with that shape, and then I go in with the orange and do the same and blend out all those edges, diffuse all those edges, and it looks so cute. I wish I would have kept the shape, but I didn't. Y'all will see what I mean. But here I'm taking the orange from the James Charles palette, and I'm just going to be blending out all those edges, like I said, and diffusing them and making sure that there's a really good transition in between those shades. And making sure to take my time to obviously not pack so much on at once, and basically pack it on, blend it out, pack it on, blend it out, and not just apply a lot at once. So now just going to be taking the yellow from the James Charles palette and then just going to be diffusing that orange out even more. Like I said, this shape was so gorgeous. If you decide to go for a shape like this, by all means, I think it would look so cute. Like I said, I wish I would have kept it, but I actually ended up doing a whole full cut crease because I've never done that, and I ended up loving it just as much. Like, it's still a gorgeous look, and you still see all the same transitions. You'll see what I mean. But here I'm going back in and I'm reapplying all those shades to add more contrast, to add more depth in the eye, and just make all those colors really pop. So here I'm taking my Q-tip. Y'all already know I love doing this trick and just kind of cleaning up where I'm gonna cut my crease. It makes my cut crease come out so like on point, like all the time. It comes out so good. If y'all haven't tried it, make sure to try it. And here I ended up just cutting that whole crease like I said. Now going on top of that with the Jeffree Star concealer, and just going to be basically doing the same thing, cutting my crease with the concealer. And this just adds a really nice base for you to add whatever kind of shade you want, whatever kind of pigment you want. I added like a glitter pigment. It ended up coming out so gorgeous. I will show y'all the shade. By the way, you guys, same rule applies here with concealer and cutting your crease. You want to apply a little bit at a time, blend it out, a little bit at a time, blend it out. Just because if you add too much concealer, you don't want to risk it messing up your whole eye really fast. And here I'm now just taking that shade from this palette. It's honestly so gorgeous, and you can also use it as a highlight, so keep that in mind. Here I'm taking my colored paint just to use it as a liner because I don't have a colored liner. Use what you got. So yeah, if that has to be paint, get you some CC Beauty. I think it was under like less than $20. So yeah. And then I just take my handy dandy paintbrush and I use that as a eyeliner pencil. Y'all can use whatever y'all want. I'm just saying, be creative. Stop like sticking to the norms. It's not normal. What even is normal, honestly? And here just gonna be taking those same shades of red, orange, and yellow. Gonna be first going in with the red, stamping that on right under my eye, and then gonna be blending it out with the orange using a more, I guess, less or a more dense brush just to really get those edges and blend that out. And then I go in with an even fluffier little brush and I use the yellow just to blend that out further, and it honestly complements the whole look. It's so gorgeous. I hope y'all love it. Alright, Foxies, so this is the finished look for today. I used the James Charles palette only, and I actually really love the way that it came out. I was going for more of a red look, but I did use orange and yellow as well, just to diffuse and blend out everything and make everything transition really nice. And I honestly love it so much. So if you recreate it, please make sure to tag me or DM me a picture. I would love to see it and repost it on my Instagram. I did this little look for a video on TikTok. So if you haven't, follow me on TikTok. And if you're from TikTok, make sure to subscribe here. I'll see y'all Wednesday or Saturday. Bye, Foxies.